Hello, I'm Jonathan with Coastal RV Center, and today I have with me Michael from Heartland RV.
Yes, sir.
He's been kind enough to sit down and answer a few of my questions today, and we are sitting in a brand new 2025 Heartland Cortera 30.3 RL, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, rear living.
Can you give me some details on this unit we're sitting in right now?
Yeah, Cortera, new line to you guys, new line for Heartland RV. We do both fifth wheels and travel trailers. This is obviously the travel trailer we're sitting in. Really cool rear living floor plan. It's a really good couples coach, and it is very similar to the 3.0 fifth wheel floor plan that we also do here in the Cortera line.
Yeah, that's an awesome. I love that floor plan.
Yeah.
Fifth wheel. So tell me about yourself. How long have you been with Heartland RV?
Been with Heartland RV for 6 years. 5 years of that, I've been a rep for the Southeast. I've been loving it. And yeah, I don't know. So far, so good with everything.
So far,
Yeah.
so good. So how would you define your role with Heartland right now?
Basically, I manage accounts. So just like I manage your guys' account with providing you training, providing you with units, back end support. That's kind of my role as far as being a manufacturing rep.
So I know we're sitting in the Cortera. Doesn't matter which floor plan like that. Can you tell me something that separates Cortera from everybody else and their competitors? What makes them special?
Yeah, so the big thing with Cortera, you may be wondering what that term is. It's actually a Latin term. Cor in Latin means heart, terra means land. We want Cortera to be the core of the Heartland camping experience. So the big thing really kind of with our floor plan layouts has been functional storage. In our 3.0 fifth wheel, you get that big hidden pantry with 12 individual doors and drawers in the front cap. Bedroom area. This floor plan, like I said, is very similar to that floor plan. You get tons of storage space in here. For all your camping needs. And really the big elephant in the room is how modern these interiors look. Get these awesome dimmable strip lighting in the ceiling. We've kind of gotten away from the grays and whites in the past, and we're finally going to some more neutral colors, warm wood colors. You can see the color of the couches and the colors of the rest of the interior. I think they did a really good job.
So do I. I think they look modern.
Yeah.
They're beautiful. As somebody who always thought campers kind of look like your grandparents'
Right.
homes, they've really done a great job in these.
Yeah, I think so too.
So there were some easy questions. Let's move on to a couple of tough ones. A couple things.
Okay.
Just so you've been doing this a while now.
Yep.
So how do you think the dynamic has really changed since we dealt with COVID till now? How are things really?
I think now more than ever, customers are really kind of focused on quality. With the market kind of correcting itself and getting away from just those crazy numbers from everybody getting into the segment. A lot of manufacturers have finally been able to kind of dial in the quality, and I think Heartland's been doing a really good job of that as well. So that's kind of what I see, moving forward.
Awesome. Now, there's been a lot of changes from then till now, and then really I saw a big change from 23s to 24s up to 24s to 25s with everybody across the board. Do you see there ever being like a crazy drastic redesign on RVs? Like, we sit in this is a rear living floor plan. Pretty much everybody kind of has their own rear living floor plan. Sometimes they switch to couch and TV, but do you think we're ever going to see something like that we've never seen before?
That's always a possibility. I don't really see something groundbreaking anytime soon. I think what you will be seeing is just people are going to have to get a little more unique with their floor plans. Hidden pantries, cool storage units up front in the front caps. The list goes on, but we've all been pretty consistent with the floor plans, but just as far as like the features, fit and finish, stuff like that, I think you'll see that start to improve.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Do you think the RV industry as a whole will ever go away?
Absolutely not. No, camping's been around for decades, and I don't see that ever changing.
No, me either. I mean, people have been. I was watching a YouTube video about a Volkswagen Beetle.
Right.
Somebody customized an attachment for a travel trailer back in the 40s. It was funny. It was cool looking. I don't think it's going anywhere. I love it. I personally am not a camper, but I do.
Right.
I love the industry. I mostly focus on floor plans and finance and things like that. But
it's an American pastime, as you know. Yeah, that's
awesome.
That's never going away. If anything, I see it growing, especially with how unaffordable a lot of the housing is nowadays. People, these start to seem pretty attractive with the price points you're able to get them at.
All right, and really, lastly, why should somebody come to somebody like us, Coastal RV Center, where mom and pop, family run, things like that? What would you say to them?
Yeah, I'd be going back to what you said. Family owned for years. you guys have been nothing but wonderful to deal with. I think you get a lot more of a personal experience when you go to some of these smaller mom and pops than some of these big box stores. So I think that's kind of going to be the main reason why someone should go with you guys.
Well, awesome. And then if somebody wants to learn more about the Heartland Cantera, do you guys have a website?
Absolutely, heartlandrvs.com.
Awesome. Also, you can find Coastal RV at www.coastalrvcenter.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram at coastal_RV_center for our Instagram. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'd love for you to like and subscribe and share the video as much as you can. If you'd like to see more products like this and more sit downs, please let us know.